Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make money with mangools affiliate program. That's a very easy process. So firstly, you simply search for mangools, then open the first link. Now, just simply scroll down till the very footer of the page. Over here you will find affiliate program, click on that. Now over here you can see most of the details, like there are a total of 2+ million users that have tried mangools, an average monthly payment and lifetime commissions. Now if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the price commissions that you can earn. So in the monthly basic plan, which is $49, you can earn a commission of $14 over here. And just like that, there will be for annual basic, annual agency, monthly premium, monthly agency. Monthly agency is the most costliest plan and will also give you the highest commission, as you can see right over here. So the moment they will get a plan, you will get the commission. And every month when they will renew a plan, you will again get a commission. So it will be a recurring commission based plan. Now, as you can see, if you scroll down, you will be able to see how to exactly apply for Mango's affiliate program. All you have to do is just simply register, then promote and earn. As you can see, you will get 30% every month with recurring payments. Now to register, all you have to do is click on register now. Now over here, if you already have an account, just simply use that to log in, or click on I don't have account. Now just simply create an account over here. So enter your email address, password, then confirm your password. Now after that, just simply tell where did you hear about mangools. Now after that, just simply click on I'm not a robot and click on create mangools account. Now give it a few seconds. Now a confirmation mail have been sent to you on your email address. So just simply check in your inbox. Now this is the email that you have received. So all you have to do is click on confirm my account. Now after that, just simply click on that's cool, thanks, and now your account has been made. So now all you will do is just simply click on affiliate program. Now you would be in the dashboard section. Click on dashboard over here, and after that click on affiliate over here, and right after that you will find your affiliate ID. So just simply copy this and you can use this ID to get your affiliate started. Now what you are going to promote for affiliate marketing, you will get the material right over here under promo materials. Click on that. Now over here you will find the affiliate links. So you can just simply copy them and upload to your blog post, or if you're going for the paid method, you can also use that. Now over here you can also customize your very own banner content if you want to. So it's totally up to you. And in the end, just simply click on copy code and then paste the HTML in your website blog, and this banner will pop up. So it's totally up to you. But before you start the advertising in the paid method, make sure to read the affiliate terms. So over here, just read the mangools affiliate terms, because it's very important. And if you violate any of the terms, you will not get paid at all. And make sure to add your PayPal account over here too. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like and subscribe to our channel, and take care.